Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate yogurt bites. First, gather your ingredients like plain yogurt, cocoa powder, and a sweetener. You'll also need a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process for creating these delightful frozen treats. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and delicious snack. Now in a bowl, combine your plain yogurt, cocoa powder, and your chosen sweetener. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and has a uniform color. Once mixed, use a spoon to drop small, bite-sized portions onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. Aim for consistent sizes for even freezing. Next, carefully transfer your baking sheet with the yogurt drops into the freezer. Allow them to freeze for at least 1 hour or until they are completely firm. This crucial step ensures the bites hold their shape and achieve that delightful, solid texture. Patience here will lead to perfectly set chocolate yogurt bites. For the final touch, melt some chocolate. You can use a microwave or a double boiler. Once melted, dip each frozen yogurt bite into the chocolate, coating it completely. Place them back on the parchment paper to set. Store your finished chocolate yogurt bites in an airtight container in the freezer for a refreshing treat anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.